Alrighty guys, so just like y'all know how to do, we're going to open up Firefox. So today we are going to be doing Redeemer by Hack the Box. This one's actually pretty fun. I like it. So then from your Firefox window, just go into Hack the Box Labs and then log in. Boom, there we are. Then we're going to go to Labs and Starting Point. This will be the last one on Starting Point. And what do you know that? Well, my battery's low, so nice. Isn't that great? Let's plug her in. Okay, so now we just got to connect to Hack the Box and then we'll be good to go. Alrighty, let's open up our terminal here. And then we will CD into my my folder with all my VPNs in it. So just do like that, enter, and then we're going to ls this and use that TCP one. I actually really do like the TCP one. If you guys don't have it, it doesn't like make a super difference. I don't really know if it makes like that big of a difference at all, but I feel like mine connects faster to it. So, but that's just me. Maybe just more people are using the other one, and so you know, soaking up more of the internets there. Alrighty. So now that we are connected, got to redo the window there, and we're good. So now let's just spawn that machine. Righty, looks like we are ready. Let's copy that IP address and then make that window small and open a new terminal there. And then we'll just minimize that one. Get over here and now we'll go back to the home directory there. And we're going to nmap then -sv like we know how to do. And if you don't remember, that is system version. So we're scanning this IP address for system version with an nmap scan. And now we just wait to do that.
A few moments later.
Ready? Looks like it's done. So it looks like it's just throwing us that error for no reason at all. But you know what? Here we go. We're going to use an nmap scan just like we did. We're going to go -sv and then paste in the IP address. Now, before all of this IP address stuff, we are going to use -p-, and this means that it is going to scan for every port, every single port. Now this takes a while, so we are going to need to use --min-rate, and I spelled it wrong, so --min-rate, otherwise known as min rate, and this is going to set the minimum packages that we send per second. So I'm going to specify 5,000 here. You can specify however many you want. Now we don't want to do this in normal penetration testing because we want to be as swift and quiet as possible. So min rate, when we specify 5,000 packages per second, we're going to make a lot of noise on the server or the service, and we really just don't want that. So there we go. It has finished. It was nice. So we can see that on port 6379 we have a TCP scan here. The state is open. The service is Redis. Redis, that is a type of in-memory database. So let's go back here to Hack the Box. We can see that that port was on 6379. Put that in. Alrighty. What service is running on the machine? This is Redis, just like we saw. What type of database is Redis? So this is in the question. It's going to be answer 2. It is an in-memory database. And this means that all the information is stored on the RAM, and it doesn't store very much on hard disk. It does it in short intervals. So which command line utility can we use to access the Redis server? This is going to be, I believe, Redis CLI. So if you don't have Redis CLI, this is going to be sudo apt install Redis tools, and then you'll put your password in there. Oop, spelled it wrong. put it in correctly. See guys, if you don't put your password in correctly, then it's not going to work. The more you know, man. So now it looks like we have it, so we can use the which command to find the Redis tools, and we're going to go with which and then Redis. Okay, it's not there, so which Redis, let's go with -CLI. Yep, okay, looks like it's there. So now we know that we have Redis already installed. So now that we know that, we're just going to put in Redis-CLI, not CLIE, just CLI. Alrighty. So, which flag can we use to specify host name? Oof. Is this going to be -H? Redis CLI. Yeah, so this one is going to be Redis CLI-H. And that's just specifying the host name for that. So we paste that in there. And boom, looks like we're connected. Hello, look at that. Nice. Alrighty. So now that we are in here, we can use --help. Nope. We can't. We can just use help. So there you go. We can use help in here. Get a list of commands as help. Alright. Doesn't look like anything super important there. So after doing a little bit of poking around here, we can see that ls and dir are not going to help us here. This is obvious because it is a database. It's not a command line. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to use keys and then the star, and that's going to list all of the contents in here. And so now we can use select to obviously select one, and you can see that there is an indice here, an index on all of these, and it starts at 1, goes to 4. So we can see that there are 4 there, and then if we select 1, it's going to be like, oh, okay. And now we are at index 1. We can just alrighty, now we can use get and then the flag, which would be index 2, and we can copy this here, flag, copy, and head on back. So which flag can be used in the Redis to specify host name? That's going to be -H like we just used. Once connected to the Redis server, which command can be used to obtain Redis server info. That's going to be info. So what version of Redis is being used on the target machine? That would be in our nmap scan quite a while ago. Oh, doesn't look like we have it. Let's just go with exit here. And we will do the nmap scan again. Alright, we can see that it is 5.0.7 right there. So there you go. This is going to be store 507. So we'll just put in 5.0.7 and then submit. Which command is used to select the desired database in Redis? So this one is going to be select. Nice. How many keys are present inside the database? Let's see. With index 0. Well, I saw 4 in there, so I don't know. Let's just put 4 in. Boom. Yaha. Alrighty. Which command is used to obtain the keys in a database? That's going to be keys and then star. And the keyword there is all, so star refers to all. And then we can just paste in that flag that we already got by using get. And that is success right there, guys. That is true, unwavering success. Hope you guys liked it. See you in the next one.